So ibi tá a ti stop lánàá lélẹ́yìí, nǹkan tá a ṣe lánàá lélẹ́yìí, and today nǹkan tá a fẹ́ try láti duplicate lélẹ́yìí, this exact website la fẹ́ clone. So that's what we'll be doing now. Now ká tó bẹ̀rẹ̀, I need àwọn plugin tá a need láti install. So a máa kọ́kọ́ lọ download ẹ̀ ní, you can download from wordpress.org. So to know your plugins tó ti wà ń bẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀, just go to plugins, install plugins, ó máa gbé jáde. So Elementor, Elementor ti wà ń bẹ̀ already, but ó láwọn nǹkan tá a lè ṣe pẹ̀lú Elementor lásán tó yẹ pé tá a bá ní àwọn add-ons Elementor sí ó máa lè make sense. So let's create a page for this first. Pages, add new, tá a fẹ́ create page. Let's name it local. Àwa mú edit with Elementor. Now gbogbo àwọn widget, gbogbo àwọn tools tó ní leléyìí, mi ò lè kọ code síbí, wọ́n ní kí n lọ ra pro everything. So but with all other add-ons I can do that, and this Elementor Pro is not free, but whenever you want to download a cracked version of plugin, you don't call it crack, it is called node. Ẹ lè sọ pé download node Elementor Pro plugin. So ẹ wá lọ. So ẹ ṣàmà, but in the course of this training I have the plugin already on my system, so I will upload the plugin. A ti rí pé just for ní kíní ní basic, general, header and footer and WordPress, so that a bá download ẹ̀ tán a fi rí difference. Let me just exit and go back. So plugin, add new, upload, due to pé mo ti ní lórí system tẹ́lẹ̀, màá mú choose file. So òun leléyìí, any plugin you want to install, be it plugin or theme, it must be in zip file. Ẹ lè unzip ẹ̀ kó ṣiṣẹ́. So ẹ wá mú bẹ́ẹ̀, ẹ wá mú install now. Ẹ dẹ̀ mú activate. Ó ní pé a ti install Elementor Pro. Now that's the first way to install a plugin. Another one is we can search, add new. Kẹ́ search níbí. Tẹ́ bá mú Elementor, ó máa show àwọn other Elementor add-on. This is normal Elementor. We will be using this as the essential add-on for Elementor. A lè install ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ká activate ẹ̀. So I activate ẹ̀. That's another way. Then another way to install it, láti máa ṣe ń sìn, tó yẹ pé a need láti ṣe anything níbí, tó yẹ pé bí backend nínú cPanel wa láti máa ṣe. So can just download the plugin here. So eléyìí ló kù tá a fẹ́ lò, HT mega eléyìí. I'll provide everything at the end of the training. I have them. So I'll provide them. Màá máa file ẹ̀jọ́. So just download. So ó ti download tán. Ẹ wá sí your local disk. Gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń ṣe ibi tẹ́ ẹ ti máa rí local disk. You go to Bitnami, WordPress, apps, WordPress, ṣé à ń gẹ̀tẹ̀, htdocs. So that I fẹ́ wo your team or your plugin, go to WP content. This is your plugin, this is your team. Then you go to plugins. So gbogbo plugin tí a ti install eléyìí, if I remove any plugin from here, automatically ló máa lọ yọ kúrò nínú website. At times wà tó yẹn pé ẹ máa install plugin kan tó yẹn pé website yín ó máa scatter tó yẹn pé ẹ ní ráyè login mọ́ láti ẹ̀ ti lè lọ yọ. That's the importance of your cPanel. So àti inú cPanel yín lẹ̀ ti rí báyìí tẹ́ ẹ fi rí yọ. Now èyí tá a download lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn ẹ kí n copy ẹ̀. Màá wá paste ẹ̀ síbí. Automatically ṣe pé ẹ̀kan yẹn ṣe ìgbà tá a fẹ́ install ẹ̀ tá upload zip la upload ìgbà tó dẹ̀ ń ṣe ó sọ pé unpacking but here nínú bí folder lásán ló ń need. So àwa need láti unzip ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá ti rí àwọn ẹ̀rín pé folder ni you have to unzip. So ht ẹ̀ka wà lọ ọ̀rẹ́ kò gbúdọ̀ ní extra folder ẹ̀rín pé ó tún jókòó sínú folder of folder ní nǹkan tí a ní ní pé kókó ṣò gbogbo ilé direct. Let's check another one ẹ wò ẹ̀rín pé kò gbé mi lọ sí folder of folder. So in that sense you just carry this eléyìí ẹ lè cut ẹ with your control s ẹ wá padà wá síbí ẹ paste ẹ mo lè wá delete eléyìí tí ẹn kó ti empty bẹ̀rẹ̀ àwa delete ẹ. So eléyìí tí now you now go back sínú bí tẹ́ ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ lọ sí plugins ẹ refresh ẹ rí kó ti débẹ̀ nǹkan tẹ́ ní láti ṣe just to activate ht lórúkọ ẹ̀ ṣẹ́ ti rí. So that's another way to upload a plugin. Bó ṣe team náà ni kẹ́ ṣe máa ṣe nìyẹn. I can try a team for us now as well so that we can be sure. Now team appearance teams. Ẹ wo gbogbo team tó wà ń bí báyìí. So I can remove this team, this team, this team, this team from this place again.
Training is not working anymore.
Hello. Can we hear now? Hello. Hello. Can we all hear now? Hello. Hello. Shangbo. Okay, let's continue. Sorry for the break. Okay. Now, our team yẹn leléyìí. Ẹ tí gbogbo team tó wà níbí. A fẹ́ yọ wọ́n lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan. Instead of máa wá síbi tá a máa yọ. We want to remove it from the back end. just come to your teams. Only by 1, 2, 3, 4. Because Astra là ń lò presently ní òde kí n yọ Astra. So ẹ ká lọ refresh padà káwọ bí ó ti máa kúrò ńbẹ̀. ṣàlùbá team ẹyọ̀kan ló ṣe kí ni ló wà ńbẹ̀. So that's how to remove team from there as well. Now let's add a new team. This is a team. Hastia. I can paste it. Then after pasting, you unzip. Everybody òun ò ní anything nínú folder torí mo mú extract here, so I can now delete that. Màá padà sí ibi, you refresh. Ẹ3. So that's how to install team from backend. So you can install your team from file manager, and gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tá a máa rí nínú cPanel, you can also see the file manager here. So there's a plugin for that. Ẹ ká install plugin, file manager plugin. Just search for file manager. Then you install. Ó install lọ́wọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Let's activate. So check by WP file manager. Just click on it. Kí file manager inú hosting wa ṣe máa rí náà leléyìí. Exact. So just come to your WP content. I think I showed us something like this yesterday. Your plugins. So gbogbo ẹ̀ náà leléyìí. So that's that about that. Now the next thing we'll be doing now is how to design with Elementor page builder. I did create the page already lẹ́kọ̀ọ́, so we want to go and edit the page. Local, mo kàn lè mú edit with Elementor. Now òun lélẹ̀ báyìí. Ẹ̀kọ́ yẹn pé nǹkan mẹ́rin la rí. Now this is the pro tá a install. Àwọn functionality tó bá pro wà lélẹ̀: post, portfolio, form, slide. Òun lè fi máa rí àwọn slide show tó máa ń show lókè yẹn. Nǹkan tó ń fi ṣe lélẹ̀: login, navigation menu, animated headline, price list, and so on. That's for the pro. Then general eléyìí bá wá. Then eléyìí essential add-on tá a install eléyìí: advanced accordion, advanced tab. That's why if you use all these plugins or add-ons, ẹ máa ṣiṣẹ́ nígbà mi ẹlòmíì àtúntò pé is it Elementor, ṣé same Elementor náà ní ẹ ṣe kí ni lẹ lò. So you make sure you use some advanced stuff as well. So let me introduce to us some basic things here. When you want to start designing, all you need to do is add new session. Is it a column session or 2 column or 3 column? Mo lè mú 1. eléyìí YouTube tí ẹ kì í sáré sọ sísàlẹ̀ díẹ̀. So now inside this column or section I can add my elements. Now this is the first element called inner section. Now ẹ̀kan tí mo fẹ́ mú ẹ̀hàn kó bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé is it 2 column, is it 3, is it 4? But ẹ̀yọ̀kan mo ti mọ̀ already máa notice pé I need to make it 2 column. You don't need to delete it. Just drag your inner section. Mo drag ẹ̀ sínú ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ báyìí ó ti pé 2 and mo tún fẹ́ kó di mẹ́ta. Just right click on this, add new column. Ó ti pé mẹ́ta already. Now nínú mẹ́ta yìí nínú first one yìí mo fẹ́ kí first one yìí jẹ́ méjì. Just drag your inner section inside it. Ó máa show blue. Well, let's add it beneath first. Now that's kẹ́ ẹ máa ṣe àwọn layout nìyẹn. So that's basically for your inner section. Now the second one is your heading. That's your headline H1. Olele báyìí. Can change it H1 everything your heading. Kẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ kó ṣe kí ni kó tóbi sí. Àwọn máa ń kọ code, you know your heading is from H1 to H6. So this is your H2. Now ọ̀rọ̀ tá a fẹ́ kó wà ń bẹ̀. Now mo tún fẹ́ ṣe wípé tó bá ti click lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kó gbé wọn lọ sí website. I can put the website here. Then size then alignment, is it to the left, to the right, center or justify? Right, center, left. Now tí mo fẹ́ change color or anything, I go to my styling, style. This is my text color. This second one is for the opacity. How light or transparent you want it to be. Now the next one is your typography. Your typography is the font style, the font size, the line height, the transform and decoration. Your font family, maybe Tahoma, maybe Railway, maybe Montserrat, anything you want. Then your size. Please make your size consistent when designing. If you know your headline is 35, make sure all your headline is 35. If it is 20, make it 20. So if it is 20, make it 20. Then your weight can be 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, bold. Yes, right. There's difference between bold and this. Gbogbo ẹ̀ ó yàtọ̀ síra, gbogbo oníṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ń ṣe. Then your transform, maybe mo ti ṣe mistake, mo ti kọ̀rọ̀ small letter. I want to make it capital letter all through. Just this capitalize, it will capitalize each word, each letter. Ló máa capitalize, then your upper case ó máa sọ gbogbo ẹ̀ di capital letter. Then your lower case gbogbo ẹ̀ máa di small letter. Then your style, is it to italize, oblique or normal? Oblique and italize are almost the same thing. Then your decoration, ṣé kó gbé láti lábẹ́ ni, ṣé kó gbélé lókè ni, ṣé kó gbélé láàrin. In this one, you can use this when you are working with products. Maybe ẹ fẹ́ kọ pé the original price is $50, ẹ gbé igi lé wá kọ $20. So you can use your line through or none. Then line height is the distance between these two texts, these two words. Tí òkè àti ìsàlẹ̀, distance tó wà láàrin ẹ̀ kó yẹ fẹ́ sí ọ̀rẹ́. that is your line height. Then your letter spacing, distance tó wà láàrin T àti H, that's your letter spacing. Are you getting it? Now your advance, gbogbo àwọn eléyìí, it is the same for everything, so I won't be going back to it again. So your advance, o lè fi máa ṣe your margin, your padding, your Z index. Now when you are talking about, let me check the chart. Okay. When you are talking about Z index, taban design wọ́n máa sọ pé maybe send to top, bring to top. Tí nǹkan méjì bá wà lórí ara, a fẹ́ kí ẹyọ̀kan wà lókè pàràwátá. Now èyí tó bá ní highest Z index ló máa wà lókè pàràwátá, èyí tó bá kéré jù ló máa wà nísàlẹ̀. So tí n bá fẹ́ kí lè wà lókè, I can give this on 600 tó yẹ pé a fẹ́ tó nǹkan púpọ̀ lórí ara wọn, that's the work of Z index. Then this CSS ID, we will be using it in the course of this training. Ẹ máa ń rí àwọn website tó yẹ pé tó bá ti click lórí button ó máa scroll to session. CSS ID yìí náà fi ṣe kí ni náà fi pè wọlé, so we still work on this as well. Now your class, maybe a fẹ́ lọ fún ní external style our CSS, so you can still leave this for now. Then your motion, báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ wọlé, ṣé kókó dúró ni, ṣé kó fade in ni, that's your motion. Then should it be slow, extra fast, anyhow? Ṣé kó dúró 2 seconds, it is in millisecond, that's why tó fi ń kọ 300. Wow. Well, the meeting will end in 10 minutes, so we start again. A tún máa padà continue, ó ti ń fún mi ní warning. So background, ta fẹ́ fún ní background, this is the normal background, one color background. This one is the gradient. Ṣé mo fẹ́ fún ní image ní kí ó jẹ́ picture ló máa wà as background, so you can do that as well. Ṣé the picture ló máa jẹ́ background ẹ̀, I can remove it, this is it. Ṣé color méjì la fẹ́ mix ni, that is gradient. The first color green, the second color light green. Ẹ̀rẹ̀dọ̀ máa ṣeré pẹ̀lú ẹ̀kọ́ ẹgbẹ́ kó ṣe, should it be linear or radial? The position, you can still leave all this. Now the border, ṣé kó ní thick line lẹ́yìn ni, should it be dotted, should it be groove, should it be double line? Olele báyìí, solid, double, ẹ ti ní pé you are not seeing the effect, you have to give it the width. Báwo ló ní kó ṣe kì sí? Can you see? Now at times mo lè má fẹ́ kí everything uniform, then I switch off this. Mo lè wá máa fún òkè tókè ní méjì, ìsàlẹ̀ náà ní thickness yẹn kí lè dùn àti rin ẹ̀gẹ́ bẹ́yìí. Now radius, báwo ni kò yẹ curve sí? I can give it random, uniform rather. You can give your border color. Then over, anything over effect is tí mouse bá ti wà lórí ẹ̀, kí ni kó ṣe kí ni, báwo ni kó yẹ show? You can give it ní pé kó jẹ́ dash color, you can play around with it, it's super easy. Then your shadow transition, then positioning, you can leave that. Then your responsiveness, ṣé eléyìí tá ṣe yìí, should it be for the desktop and low? Tó yẹ pé desktop lásán la fẹ́ kó wà, just hide on tablet and on mobile. Sorry, let me check the chat. Okay, for the CSS ID, I'll still tell us. So that's that on that. So we explain everything that is under heading. Then your image, only just import your image. Ẹgbẹ́ wọlé, báwo ni kò ṣe rí? Should it be thumbnail 150 by 150? Should it full? Ẹ lè fún custom size. Then caption, ṣé ẹ fẹ́ kí caption wà lábẹ́ ẹ̀ ni? Maybe edited by kìnìkan. Link ibo ni kó gbé wọn lọ, custom URL àbí kó ṣí file. Then you can still give it style. Most of the styles, they're almost the same thing. Opacity always ranges from 0 to 1. can have 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, then you advance normal. Ní láti lọ síbẹ̀ yẹn mọ́ again. Then your text editor, same thing with your headline, your button, your video. Divider, a fẹ́ kí igi kó wà láàrin, maybe akọ, okay, something like this. Akọ headline, a fẹ́ kí igi wà lábẹ́. Báwo ni kó ṣe fẹ̀ sí, oní width, kó wà ní àárín, kó jẹ́ dash, anyone, zigzag. Then a fẹ́ gbé lọ sókè, you play with the margin, ẹ fún ní minus. Then spacer, ẹ fẹ́ space nǹkan méjì, eléyìí ẹ lè fẹ́ lọ fi code space there, just drag your spacer in between. Gbàgbé sáàrin eléyìí, ẹ máa wò kó ṣe máa so ilé ń pa lọ sísàlẹ̀, that's your spacer. Then your Google map, just put the address, ó dẹ̀ máa gbé ibẹ̀ sí, maybe Futa Àkúrẹ́ Nigeria, ó dẹ̀ máa load ẹ̀ síbẹ̀. Ẹ dẹ̀ ṣe zoom ẹ̀, so ẹ ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀, just type your address there. High-tech ẹ fẹ́ kó ṣe, just play along with this. So icon, maybe icon color, ẹ fẹ́ ṣe icon sí, maybe Facebook, just search your icon here, can give it color. Your icon can be viewed maybe stacked tó máa ní circle, or frame tó máa dàbí square. You can change your icon color under your style, because this is not Facebook color. I can give them their color. That's it. Secondary color ni bí white tó wà nínú ẹ̀. Size ẹ̀, bọ́ọ̀ ní kò yẹ tóbi sí. Ṣé ká rotate ẹ̀, ká bá wọn dorí Facebook code. Padding, radius, kí a fẹ́ kí scale yẹn curve sí, àbí kò náà di circle. Then over, tí wọ́n bá ti gbé mouse lé, kó sọ color blue yẹn kó sọ di green. So that's that about icon. So a ti parí everything tó wà nínú basic, then pro. Now tá a bá understand the eléyìí, ló máa dìde ká design dáadáa. Then your portfolio for your slide, let me quickly. Slides. Slide 1, 2, 3. I can add more. Just you can duplicate this. Ṣé picture òun fẹ́ kó wà ní slide 1 ni? Mo dá movie. Color tán fún. Okay, slide 3 làwà. Slide 1 mi. So ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nínú ẹ̀, slide 1 heading. Rèé, mo ti kọ rubbish. Eléyìí mi ò fẹ́ kó ní button, mo kàn yọ click ẹ̀ kúrò ní ó tán. Bọ́ọ̀ mi fẹ́ kọ́rọ̀ yẹn ṣe dúró, everything is under your style. Text align, gbogbo ẹ̀. So I think, okay, maybe ẹ ti ṣe ẹyọ̀kan yìí, you can delete all this. Ẹ ti format eléyìí dáadáa, you can now duplicate this and just change your picture. So tí a fẹ́ view ẹ̀ ní full screen, wọ́n lélẹ̀. Let me check. Save. Then, okay, maybe when we start again, I will explain all this again, all this keyboard effect, background overlay. Let's do more time on that. So I'll stop the training now and post another link on group. Thank you.